In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications in Slack. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type Slack into the search box, then click the official Slack website from the results. Sign into your workspace so you're looking at the Slack app in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in Slack on desktop, look to the bottom left corner. Click your profile picture or avatar to open the menu, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, select the Notifications section. This is where you'll configure everything to make sure you see and hear what matters. First, review your desktop notifications. Here, you can choose how alerts appear on your computer. If your operating system asks for permission to show notifications, be sure to allow it so Slack can alert you. You can also adjust sounds and appearance to match your work style, and use any test options you see to confirm everything's working. Next, move to Mobile Notifications. Decide how you want Slack to behave on your phone or tablet. Pick a setting that fits your routine, for example, getting alerts when you're away from your computer, or receiving them immediately if you rely on your mobile device. Keeping these consistent across devices can prevent duplicate or missed alerts. Now, choose what Slack should notify you about. You'll see options that control the volume of notifications you receive. You can set it to Everything, which alerts you for all messages, or Mentions and Direct Messages, which focuses on the items that require your attention. If you're easily distracted, the Mentions Only option is often the best balance. Under Also Notify You About, fine-tune extra alerts. Turn on thread replies if you want notifications when conversations continue in threads you're following. Enable messages from VIPs, even if notifications are paused, to make sure important people can always reach you. This is helpful when you don't want to miss mission-critical updates. Switch on new huddles if you want to be notified when someone starts a huddle so you can join quickly. If you rely on the activity view, enable include thread replies in badge counts on activity to reflect those replies in your unread counts. Finally, consider set up mobile overrides to customize how notifications behave on your phone compared to desktop. Ideal if you want your mobile device to be more or less attention-grabbing. That's it. You've configured Slack notifications to match your workflow. Feel free to revisit preferences anytime as your needs change, and test a quick mention or DM to confirm your settings are working just the way you want.